हम अर्ज़े वफा भी कर न सके, कुछ कह न सके, कुछ सुन न सके। हम अर्ज़े वफा भी कर न सके, कुछ कह न सके, कुछ सुन न सके। यहाँ हमने ज़बान ही खोली थी, वहां आंख झुकी, शर्मा भी गए। This शेर is by Asrarul Haq Majaz. He says, I could not talk of my loyalty to her. I was speechless. I could not hear a thing. I had barely started speaking when in shyness she lowered her gaze. Majaz is a shair of love and romance. He was from Lucknow, and the nazakat of Lucknowi Zaban is so very apparent in his poetry. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.